finally, what we all been waiting for, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra teaser is out, and this is clear that Samsung focused on cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra. So S23 Ultra will about to set the record for the best camera phone of this year. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The well-known tipster exynos shared the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra teaser, and this is the first ever teaser. This is more like a promotional one, saying megapixels that will make you say wow, worthy resolution coming. This confirmed the Galaxy S23 Ultra new 200 megapixel camera, the main feature we all been waiting for. As I told you, this is a promotional one because at the end it says shop at Samsung. Samsung also improving the night photography in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it is confirmed that we are going to see a big change coming from S22 Ultra. Also, Samsung added this Pro mode in the selfie shooter of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, as we all know, we are not going to get the red laser autofocus on the S23 Ultra, but as per exynos, this was painted black. The laser autofocus is not going to change on the S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, are you guys excited about the new 200 megapixel camera on S23 Ultra? As per previous rumors, Galaxy S23 Ultra were going to come with bigger lenses than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and previous renders were all wrong. And the new case information clears things up what kind of lenses we are going to get on the S23 Ultra. Now these cases surely tell the difference, where we see big lenses on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and also if we pay close attention, the buttons are moved down for better access. Now these cases are original ones, as these cases were leaked from eBay Germany for all three models of Galaxy S23 lineup, including the new design on S23 and S23 Plus. Even before this official teaser, Samsung Colombia leaked the official release date of Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is 1st of Feb 2023, and after getting that date, we also get the pre-order deals information for Samsung Estonia, where this time Samsung is going to offer a pair of Galaxy Buds Pro 2 along with the S23 series, including S23 and S23 Plus. And just to let you know, these Buds Pro 2 will cost you around $229 in the US. So this will be a great deal if you want the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is going to increase the price on the S23 series, and we are going to see the price jump on all three models of Galaxy S23 lineup. If you want to see the official price of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.